Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to clear X cache on your iPhone. So you want to open X and tap your profile picture in the top left, which will open the side menu. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and in your settings you want to find section accessibility, display and languages. Now let's go to data usage, and under the section with your storage you will see two different options that you can clear on X, and those are media storage and web storage. So media storage removes all photos, GIFs and videos, and web storage basically keeps you logged into your X account. And if you clear all web storage, if you use this option at the bottom, this may log you out of X because it clears cookies, so pay attention to that. So if you want to clear something, you want to simply tap on it and then confirm it at the bottom by tapping on it once again. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.